So basically, I'm back and I watched the video. I didn't watch the full video because I was too impatient and didn't want spoilers. But basically, what I have to do, it changed again. Basically, the thing that I have to do, I'm not gonna continue the whole orb thing. The orb thing comes later, since whatever. still, I wanna get the ending. Perfect breakfast. You picked up the orange. Drank toothpaste. Go to bed. Stove. Wait, where can I get the stove from the store? One hour chance. Okay. Insomnia. Bucked until the sun rose. Yeah. Okay, now let's continue. What I have to do is, I have tried to get this ending before. I was just curious before, but now I know the real reason why. There's a vending machine outside of the store, and to get, and I have to put in 8 Bloxy Colas. Now, to get the ending, you have to bring 1 Bloxy Cola from your house. The one that's in the fridge. One time I spent so much time to just literally put in the 8 Bloxy Colas when the guy was on break. That's also the time when I got the purple man ending. But I spent so much time doing that, and only just to realize I had to bring a Bloxy Cola from my home. And then when I was going to my house, I got the insomnia ending. Yeah. Okay, now I got the Bloxy Cola. I got the money that I need. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking late. I'm getting kind of scared. The video I was watching, someone said in the comments that you feel like this game is a horror game, but this game is really a horror game, but it just feels kind of creepy. You know what I mean? I will not throw away the Bloxy Cola. Why would I throw away the Bloxy Cola? It's a very nice and beautiful Bloxy Cola. Okay, I'll just insert the soda. I picked up the text, whatever it is. I think an easier way of doing this is just... Okay, so I already got the shoplift ending, and the orb won't do, the orb does not play a part here. What I have to do is I have to make the vending machine happy. And also meaning that I have to spend every single one of my money just I want to buy the Bloxy Cola. Just the Bloxy Cola. Shut. Okay, now I'm gonna go outside, and I am gonna insert the second soda. I have to do this a few more times. Just a few more times. I have to literally drain all the Bloxy Colas. I've drained all the Bloxy Colas, and then I have to get the shoplifter, and not the shoplifter thing. Just exit the game, not exit the game. But I don't know if that works. I really want to get this ending. Oh, I forgot to pay for it. Man, I have to try this again. You see, that jump scare almost gave me a heart attack. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. It just wasted some time. Should I do this? Should I record again? You know what? Never mind. I'll just do a real quick speed run, and when I edit in KineMaster, I'll just cut this part out. For the people who are watching it after it's edited, well, the thing is that I kind of wasted my time and accidentally forgot to buy the Bloxy Cola before, taking out of the store. Sorry about that once again. Text. Get the text. No text here. Oh, I'm wasting time again. Okay. Turn that off.
সিট ঢুকতে পারবে না না আমার মেয়ে সিট ভয় পেয়ে যাবে
Okay, so I'll just put the decorations there. I'll get the Bloxy Cola. I'll get all the money I can. Do that real fast and without picking up the orange. I think I got all the cash. Now I'm gonna go outside. That one second that scared me because I saw my own avatar, and that's the same thing I saw when I accidentally got the shoplifter ending. You know, I'll just show you a sec of that. Okay, I'll just get this money real quick, you know. Got lots and lots of money. I also placed the Bloxy Cola inside. I have to place some of them. Let's get all the money here. I don't have an item. Okay, now let me just go inside here. I'll get a Bloxy Cola. I'll put it over there. I'll place the Bloxy Cola. I'll talk to the cashier. You sure you want to buy this Bloxy Cola? It'll cost skip it. Thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. But well, again, I'm sorry. I should pay for it. Well, I did get the shoplifter ending one time, and I'm gonna have to get it again if I. Oh my gosh, I almost got the shoplifter ending once again. That would be really bad. Somehow this guy sleeping but also notices me walking out without paying. Thanks, yeah. I'm gonna be poor. No, I'm gonna be poor. Got a rich brew. Let's put that here. This rich brew is $5. Talk $15. Talk to me. Purchase. I got the witch brew now, I guess. Okay. I'll just feed it. I'll just feed it. It's getting close. Let's go. Oh my. Man. Really sorry about that, guys.